To offer helping hands for the people in need, that's our goal.
It's really stressful nowadays. We are stressed physically, mentally, and a heavy schedule the whole day.
The most enjoyable moment for my job is my patients are coming negative and they are going happily and satisfiedly to their home.
Before start my duty, I praying Almighty for the health of the patient as well as the staff.
My day starts with a prayer which we do every day in the morning as a team. My daily routine starts with the taking over from previous duty staff and then taking a patient's round. As a nurse, we assess the patients.
We have 6 hours duty with full PPE. We take care of COVID-19 patients, their medications, diet, hydration and other needs. In short, providing care for physical and emotional aspects. Reassurance and emotional support plays a vital role in this situation.
We reach the hospital by 8 a.m. and then I change my scrub. Then I wear the PP kit and go to the screen area to talk to my patients for their problems which they have faced and to resolve them and their grievances as soon as possible. It's really stressful nowadays. We are stressed physically, mentally, and a heavy schedule the whole day.
The hardest part of my job is giving a reassurance to the patient with COVID positive report because they have a highest anxiety level. Being a nurse, there is no difference for taking care of the COVID patients and a non-COVID patient. Nursing care is the same for both the patients. Only difference is that we have to wear a PPE for taking care of a COVID patients.
The first thing we do after work is take a bath and we drink a lot of water and take care of our adequate diet because we are not allowed to drink or use washroom during our shifts. We are staying in the hospital itself these days.
The hardest part of my job is wearing that PP kit which chokes us from in to out, and when we come out and remove that PP kit from our body, it is like the scrub is drenching and like dripping water.
We are literally wrapping ourselves with various sort of protective equipments. We have to wear all these protective equipments for 6 hours at a stretch. All these PPEs result in sweating and it is very difficult to breathe with all these PPEs on. Not able to consume the food or water or not even able to use restrooms until next staff takes every shift. But we know that it is very necessary to prevent the spread of this epidemic.
Using a PPE, it was very difficult for us regarding starting a days. But now we got a confidence and we are using that. The most enjoyable moment for my job is my patients are coming negative and they are going happily and satisfiedly to their home.
I literally enjoy all the times usually, but when my patient gets discharged, he is happy, so we are also happy when he goes back to his home.
Obviously, the smile of relief in our patient's face is the most precious thing for us. The moment patient gets relief from his or her complaint or discomfort, and the moment they recover from their disease is the most joyous thing about my job.
Duty itself is an enjoyment. So, from the bottom of heart, we are taking care of that patient. That is an enjoyment. It's a good enjoyment.
My sister is also a nurse, so my family is used to do all these things. She also works in SARS pandemic as well. However, we all never expected that we would go for a pandemic as a nurse, even though we all know that there is always a possibility that we are putting ourselves at risk. But that's why I picked nursing. I joined nursing to help people in need. It's a service-oriented profession. I want to be there in emergency or crisis, and that is just we love to do.
My family have a proud moment in their heart that I am doing something for my nations, and in this situation I am taking care of all patients.
Definitely my family supports me at all times, and in this pandemic also they are supporting me, but they are frightened, and that I can feel that they are fearful too.
In this current scenario of the pandemic, we all have to uphold the values and visions of Nightingale. There is no need to panic. Follow all the standard protocols. Do not compromise on your safety. There will be a light in the end. We will overcome it together.
Be united, be free of mind, do all your duties, support everyone, and in this COVID-19 which has taken over the whole world.
As a nurse, this is a golden opportunity to take care of others' life. So do your work carefully and dedicatedly.
Right now, I want to congratulate all the COVID warriors nurses for their wonderful work. And also, I want to give them a message that smile is the most important. Smile gives us positivity and also strength.